way back home.
Hey, well, at least the banana boat's being used for some shit.
I know, right?
I got that on video.
Hey, it's something funny what happened.
Hey,
I put some water when in the beer.
Oh, shit, what the fuck?
You think taking a house is a job?
But no one listens to Danny and shit. Danny don't know shit.